Here is the new Otter Vortex cabin. "36 square feet of fishing area, yet just weighing in at 32 pounds. Let's take a closer look. New triple layer THERMALTEC fabric to keep you warm inside and keep the wind out. Dual support ice anchors to keep your hub from blowing away. External LP hose port so you can keep your tank outside. Run it through and keep yourself warm. Four removable windows. Dual ventilation ports. Extra tie downs with pouches. For on those windy days. This has easy access door. Zipper works really well. Velcro to keep it open. Very good construction. The seams are very tight. I don't see any pinholes. With this triple layer fabric, this is one warm hub. Here's your ventilation ports. One on both sides. Windows. Here you have storage pouches along with rod holders and tool holders located on both sides of the hub. Up above on the ceiling, you have cargo netting to store your clothing. I really like the gray interior on this hub. It keeps it nice and bright inside. This new Otter Vortex cabin hub with its triple layer fabric is probably one of my favorite hubs yet. Easy to set up. Quick to take down. Lightweight. Easy to transport around to your favorite fishing holes. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, get outdoors with Deano.